Okie dokie, here we go. That's what I wanted to do. We good. We good to go. Bim, bim, bim. Ba-da-dam. Okie dokie. Let's do this. Okay. Taking that skill noted. Big little swoop over there. Okay, and now we chill. Dominique, hi, how you doing? How was the morning? Did you trade this morning? Was it good? Hi, live. Hey, number 800. How you doing? How's it going? I must say, because of how quick this is going, I did. Yeah. I've tried to plan ahead. Damn, Dominique. Okay, do you have like a limit for how long your trades are in? Or how do you do it? Do you just put it and leave it? And then if it looks like it's coming back, you close? How do you do those? Oh, nice, high life. So apparently there's some big news happening at my time, 4 p.m. I guess New York time, that would be 10 a.m. Just a heads up. So I potentially might not trade until after that news happens. Oh, hey, Debt Wolf of the streams. How's it going? How have you been doing? How was the rest of your day? Yes, day. How was the rest of your day? Okay, cool. Okay, thanks, Dominique. Awesome. Wow, and you're just still in it. You're just still waiting. You must be feeling really happy right now. Why, Deadwolf? What happened? Did someone hurt you? Am I gonna have to fly there and beat someone up? Me. I'm very scary. Howdy, Dark Angel. How you doing? Happy it is. It's Happy Hump Day. I keep forgetting, and I kept forgetting to say on Monday, Happy Spring Day. But I mean, I guess it's a little bit late now, but Happy Spring Day. Hey Pat, how you doing? Are you ready for today? Are you excited for today? Pat, I didn't get your email, by the way. Good morning to you, Bob. How's it going? Thank you, Pat. Dark Angel, I can't complain. I mean, this morning, it's like, London session was frustrating. Just ran away, so I was done with one trade. I broke even and trailed a little bit, got knocked out on the trail, and then it went for a win, so that was frustrating. The second trade didn't tag me in, again by, okay, this one was like 2 ticks. It felt a little bit better than like when you can't even see why I didn't tag you in. And the third one, unfortunately, was a loss. So let's see if I can make it back up now in New York. I'm excited. Oh, nice. Okay, Bob. So how does this setup look for you? Is it looking good? Decent? How about you, Dark Angel? What are you hoping for? Hey, Leandro. How are you doing? Thank you, Pat. I'll double check now. My phone did make a noise, so I'm assuming that was you. Yeah, I did. I did. So I can't complain. Yeah, I can't complain. I think, unfortunately, by the time I took the last trade, it was when it had started to dry up. The momentum this morning was crazy. Hey, Richie man, how you doing? Yes, yeah. So I'm potentially not gonna put a trade until after that, because this might be quite a big mover. So let's see. I mean, you never know, right? Maybe something rocks up that I can get a very quick one in. However, it feels a little bit risque. Do we want to be doing that? I don't know. Let's see. No? Deadwolf, did you send me an email? You're gonna have to resend it. See, now I want to see what's going on. What did you send? Okay. A 398 lows. Got it, yeah. Okay, I see. That's really cool, Dark Angel. That would be amazing. Well, let's see. So you're not gonna put, well, potentially, I'm assuming you're not gonna be able to place anything until news at 10 a.m., 4 p.m. for me. Marzia, let's go. Are you ready? Are you excited? I'm quite excited. I'm ready. No, Deadwolf, resend it. I want to see what you said. Perfect play. Hell yeah, let's do this. Round 2, ready, steady, let's go. Okay, yeah, there we go. Sorry, Dark Angel, I only saw that now. Yes, gotta get ready for round 2. What's it like living in the future? Am I living in the future? Why? Is it because I'm trading futures and that's just a really... How am I living in the future? What's happening? Oh. Hey LP, how's it going? That I mean, the future's okay, guys. I've had a good day. So morning, Diamante, how's it going? I think that deserves to go on Bob's list of weird and wonderful things that you say. I'm including the tee-hee, by the way. I'm so excited to one day get this printed. Not a lot of people understand what's going on here, but I will know, and it'll be amazing. Hey Rambo, how's it going? Diamante? 740 yesterday, 825 today. What? Is that what you think it's gonna do? Okay, let me have a look, Deadwolf. I'm gonna have a look. Attack Forex. Hey, how's it going? Are we ready? Let me quickly check these. Let's see. I got you! I got you! Deadwolf, have I ever asked you where you are from? Sorry, I can't remember if I have. Patrick, I got you. I got yours as well. Sorry guys, random. Also, I love that photo so much, Deadwolf. That is amazing. Oh. Dogs are too cute. Thanks, Deadwolf. Diamante, subscribers? Damn, and you're yelling at me. Oh, Diamante, wait. Give me a second. If you want to. Ta-da! Bob, don't say that. I mean, it's a good thing, but in the same breath, the stress? Well, I say the stress. Oh, I think it's more the nerves. Like, part of me is so excited. I don't think you guys understand. I'm so excited because I love adventures. I love doing these amazing fun things. But yes, that Dark Angel, that. that. I'm so terrified. Excited, but terrified. 100%. Yeah, it's like you guys can live through me. You'll see the panic on my face. That's all I'm gonna say. You will see the panic on my face. Here we go, guys. Sorry, let me maybe focus for 5 seconds. Might help. Aw, you're welcome. Okay. Some liquidity gone. Can you guys see I'm trying to be good and drink more water? Oh, good question, Dark Angel. In deep premium? Well, it took it out, Dark Angel. That's valid. When everyone else gets wins, I also get so happy for them. I'm like, oh, you guys are winning. I know it has absolutely nothing to do with me, but I get really happy for you guys. Because I know that feeling of wins, and it's amazing. Perfect play? That's amazing. Just by the... Am I getting... Give me 2 seconds again, sorry. Oh, yes I am. Okay, cool. Just making sure. But, right, that's what I want this channel to be, not people being nasty. You know, unnecessary. We are here to support. That's, well, you know, those are the type of people I love. The people that come on and encourage and, you know, you just want what's best for people. You don't want to just point fingers and laugh. That's mean. Everyone's trying to do their best. People ask, what are you doing? I'm like, my best. I'm doing my best. Sorry. Ooh, okay. Perfect play. Wait. You're in cells. Interesting. Wait. Yeah, wait, you're in cells, or is that your entry for long? Sorry, just elaborate for me, please, perfectly. Flat like a pancake. No, I'm joking. Well, let's see what happens. Like I said, I probably will not put any trades in until after 10 a.m. you guys, 4 p.m. my time. Yes, from the future. I can tell you it's gonna be a good day. Okay. Oh, interesting. Okay, perfect play. Yes, 816 highs. Speaking of, I'm gonna put in a mark. Okay. You guys didn't hear me, did you? Cool. I hope not. Never mind. Carrying on. Oh, okay, perfect play. But you know, does it sometimes not fool you, as the market loves to do? But I guess that's why, you know, no strategy is 100%. Look at them going back and forth, right? Right? Or do you think they're just sitting and waiting? Do you think they're kind of doing what we are doing? Sitting and waiting. Bob, your orb strategy. Do you say orb or do you go ORB? I say orb. I read it as orb. But your orb strategy, how's it looking? Dark Angel, we are thinking those thoughts for you. Go down, go down, go down, go down, go down. Then maybe me and you can get in a similar-ish setup. That'd be nice. Hey John, how's it going? Wait, I need to do this correctly. Wait. I need to get this right. Or did I do it? Yeah, high life, safer to wait. John Michael, I'm still trying to decide if you are yanking my chains, and I actually do not know you at all, and you did not go to school with me. Nice. Listen. We love nerds. Look! Good morning. How are you doing? John, that proves nothing. I'm just saying. I feel like the orb has to get added onto Bob's. Bob, I'm asking you this again. Just saying. I'm not mad, I'm just disappointed that I've had to ask you again. Have you watched Bob's Burgers yet? Mango, hello, how are you doing? Mulawabi? I hope I said that right. Good morning. I'm glad that you are good. Well, it's afternoon for me, so good afternoon. But I know it's morning for majority of you, so I'm gonna stick with good morning for you guys. Oh, thanks. Yeah. Guys, if you wouldn't mind pressing that like button, I would much appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Damn, John Michael, look at you go. Oh, Bob. I'm not mad. I am just disappointed. That's all I'm saying. Not mad, just disappointed. A little bit hurt. No, I'm joking. Okay, wait. Let me maybe rather ask you this. What series do you enjoy watching? Because that'll give me a better idea of what you would actually enjoy. You think so, Rambo? Sorry, my hair. There we go. I got a lot of hair, guys. As you can see, this is, you can thank my Portuguese father for this one. There's a lot. It was annoying me. Diamante, Breaking Bad, really? Nice. Finished watching Friends. Love Friends. Supernatural. So, fun fact, my #1 top celebrity crush, 100%, Dean Winchester. Hands down. What? Like horses? I haven't watched those, Bob. Now I feel like I need to go watch those. But Friends? I love Friends. Love Friends a lot. Oh, really? So I'm talking, what? I'm not Englishing, that's what's happening right now. I'm talking about, like, looks-wise. Like, he's my favorite actor. Probably personality-wise. Sam is cute. I'm not saying he's not good-looking. But Dean for the wins. Sorry to anyone who has joined. This has gone a very weird way, so maybe I should focus on what's happening on the market right now. Just a fun thought. Except for the fact that we are looking sideways. So there's not much to be looking at, is there? Volume's decreased a little bit. We're kind of going sideways. This is fun. I mean, if we had to do this, would this have hit anywhere? Oh, it actually would have hit. Wow. I was pushing that a little bit as a joke, but interesting that it would have actually worked. Cool. Oh, nice, Diamante. Damn, look at you go. Are you gonna stick to that, though? So I'm just being sassy. But are you gonna stick to it? You gonna stick to the no trades today? Ooh, this would have been stressful. Damn, look at that go. Nice. Dark Angel must actually maybe pop in one day. It would be oh wait, look at this, guys. Huh. Cool that this would have potentially worked. I'm not brave enough to do this before news, but it's fun to watch. Nice, good, Diamante, good. Oh wow, okay, no, we are solidly going sideways now. And just wicking out all over the place. Let's see if this would have been a win. Wow, there's some serious... Yeah. Dark Angel! Sorry, I'm now going on to check. I'm YouTubing YouTube like an absolute silly biscuit. No, have not found you. Wait. Not that one. There we go. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna come watch. Sorry, okay. Let me get back. Focus. Jeff, hey Jeff, how you doing? Yeah, you're not late, you're perfectly on time. Oh. It's one of those weeks, cool. Good that you didn't enter, it's getting volume. Oh no. Yeah, no, high life, wait. That's all I'm gonna say, just wait. Yeah, unfortunately. Yeah, I got you. I have subscribed to you, okay. But that is amazing. Well done. It's so cool. No meeting today? No, wait, you said your meeting times have changed, right? Of course. We gotta all stick out for each other, right? Anyone else have... I don't know. Yeah? Ah. Wait, so you can't trade? Well, okay, that would have been a loss, but I mean, this is not great. Ooh, sorry, I got so excited there. I saw Dead Wolf's puppy now, which is so cool. Now I get to see your kittens. I'm so excited. Okay. Just teachmaya@gmail.com. Luckily, very sweet and simple. No dots or numbers or weird things. Right, I'm having the best day. And I got to see my horses earlier. Listen, it is so windy here. So guys that watched this morning, you heard me complaining about my door slamming. That was how flipping windy it was. So I went to the horses and obviously got blasted with wind. Yeah, I'm surprised my hair's not more a mess, to be honest. Because I have not brushed it. I kind of got home and I was like, look at the time. Gotta get ready. And here we are. It was absolute insanity today. The coastal wind is no joke. That's all I'm gonna say. Coastal wind is no joke. I was driving, I have a little car and I was driving, and you know when you feel your car getting like pushed sideways, I was like, okay. We all know this is not how I'm going to end. It's most likely going to be the sharks, so I knew I was fine. Yeah, Bob, not worth it. Remember last time? Well, I say last time, it feels like it was ages ago when you were trading and news hit and there was that massive freaking candle. Deadwolf, where are you from? I asked you this earlier and you didn't answer. So rude. Yes, Jeff. Yeah, there's news at, well, I guess 10 a.m. EST, but for me, 4 p.m. my time. So, essentially in like 12 minutes, there's news. He did? Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I feel like such a bad person. Where is it? Norway! There we go. I got it. I'm so sorry. I'm gonna go put myself in a timeout for like a minute. I feel really bad. 10 points to Hufflepuff. Yes. Winning. I do apologize. I think I'm gonna have to send you like an extra cute photo of my horse or something now. Wow, okay, so I see we are just chopping all the way until most likely news, right? Dark Angel, that must be quite rewarding. Or was it frustrating to look back and be like, what were you doing? Why are you so dumb? That's what I do sometimes. I look back at like old videos and I was like, what is wrong with you? I'm on it. Kittens! Oh my gosh, why are they so cute? Oh my god, is this Maddie? Oh no, wait, it's both of them. I'll watch the video later. Oh my gosh, they are so cute. Yeah, basically. Mine would look, no. Mine would not read back like a soap opera. Mine would look like a horror. Just saying. Definitely a horror. It kind of seems like it, hey, Diamante. This morning was awesome. Just missed that flipping trade. That was very annoying. Oh, okay. Yes. Yeah, I saw the difference. Long at 410. Damn, okay, you in this. Bob? Oh. Nice. Where's your TP, Bob? Or was it already taken? Why? No, I'm sorry, Dark Angel. Where would your entry have been, Dark Angel, out of curiosity? 436. I'm gonna keep this here so I can watch when it hits. Ah, I see. I see it. Thanks, Rambo. Ooh, there's a little bit of a resistance over there, damn. No, don't, Diamante, don't say that. Don't say that. No. Oh, okay. Bob, where's your stop loss at? No, 100%. I agree with you, Dark Angel. It's... Okay. Oh, you have... Okay. Yeah, you saw a decent amount. Oh, so Deadbook, my cat, also similar situation. She gave birth in my cupboard while I was asleep. I just woke up in the middle of the night and I was like, what is that noise? Because obviously the kittens were now making noise and I was like, what is going on? And I look in the drawer and I'm like, oh my gosh, there were 3 little kittens. Oh, it was so cute. Yeah, Bob, it did. Hey Mike, how's it going? Yeah, Bob, it smelled you. You should have just kept your excitement, I don't know, burn an incense next time or something. They can't smell you, okay? Yeah, part of me really wants to get a cat again. I don't know what Perry would do. I think he would be fine. He's really sweet, but he's a proper only child. Proper, like a spoiled brat. I love him to bits, but yeah, he's not good at sharing. Oof, come on, give Bob a whoop whoop. We still got time. Damn, okay. Let me move this then to there. 450. I've even got this marked for you, Bob. And, no! Bob, are you out? It does. The market knows everything. And it's really rude. That was like earlier. Hey Stefan, how's it going? Whew, at least it's a little bit more quiet right now. Well, for now, let's see what happens after news. Yeah, news in 5 minutes. Let's see how this goes. The market just knows everything. It knows when you are super excited. It, you know, it's a little bit like Santa. It knows when you're excited. Knows when you're being greedy. Knows when you're taking a chance. Okay, oh. Sorry, Bob. With the same TP, potentially? Yeah. It's risky. It's very risque. Like, this is just nonsense right now. Even once it does break out, I'm gonna need at least a little bit of confirmation of a trend. Or a structure. Same, right? Yeah, flip, Bob, if you had maybe just like called it when it got to the top, I mean, it wouldn't have been the best, but I really did think it was gonna get you, to be fair. It had some decent momentum. I really thought it was gonna climb up properly. The market did just, it smelled the excitement and it went, no, that's not allowed. We do not allow excitement here. Only tears. We are fueled by tears. Literally, right? Fueled by liquidity. I can guarantee you there's some tears behind that liquidity. Ooh, okay, 2 minutes to go. I'm quite excited to see what happens after news. I'm not gonna lie. I must say, it's quite interesting. I never thought I would be so into this, if that makes sense. Like, when I started trading, obviously I thought it was interesting. But you get so excited about the most random things. Here I am going, yeah, just let's see what happens. I never thought I'd be that person, and here we are. Who knows, Diamante? New York's not normally as busy as London for some reason. I think it's also because everyone might be waiting for news. Who knows? Oh no. Oh no, perfect play. That's frustrating. Yeah, they're stressing. Or they told themselves they're not allowed to watch or come on until after news, maybe? I know some people do that. Ah, Diamante, you funny. True. It's fine because we are having the best time right now. Well, I'm having fun. I don't know about you guys, but I'm having fun. Marsia, super choppy. Super choppy. Let's see. 1 minute to go, guys. It's the final countdown. Yeah, here we go. 2, 1. Oh, there we go. Okay. I was like, I expected a little bit more. Ooh. And I mean, the fight going on right now, definitely Game of Thrones stuff going on. Dark Angel, doesn't this mean your setup might still be good to go? Ooh. Yay! Okay, let's not get too excited. Ah, perfect play, I love that. Valid though. I was expecting a little bit more. I mean, yeah, no, I was expecting a little bit more. I mean, 47 points is not bad. I mean, it's not great for New York, but it's not bad. Oh, it might run away. Bob, are you in this? I think we need to ask the important questions. Bob, how's it looking? A lot of support down here now, damn. Ooh. Ooh. That's juicy stuff right here, damn. Maybe if I use my hand like a normal human being. Yeah, everybody just calm down. Yeah? Everyone stay calm. Everyone look away, look at anything else. Okay. Look at anything else except for the chart. This is where we have to start, I don't know. My brain malfunctioned and the first thing that came to my mind was, let's start a boy band. I was like, that's No, that's not a thing we're gonna do. Okay. Does now mean we can maybe get... Well, if it pops out of this range, maybe I can get something. Interesting. Nice, Mazia. Right now, yeah. Here we go. Well, we are above it. Let's see if it keeps pushing. Hey Bob, there's your TP. Sorry, that was so mean. That was so mean. But look, there it goes. Did you get back in on this, Bob, or not really? I'm so sorry. I had to, right? You have to make fun out of the yucky situations. Oh no, Diamante, don't say things like that. You think so? Yeah, that was really disappointing. I mean, made a decent fair value gap, I guess. But meh. Yeah, I can. It just freaks me out a little bit. It's not ideal. Yeah, perfect play. This is not great. In and out. You think short. Why? What makes you think short? I was thinking long. Having a look here. Let's have a look at the 15-minute maybe. Let's not be talking rubbish. Damn. But it hasn't broken anything yet. 1 hour. It does kind of look like it wants to start pushing bull, doesn't it? But isn't... Hear me out, though. Isn't a range more risky and more likely to do weird and wonderful things? Oh, right by this liquidity, Marzia. Yeah, there's... I mean, these are theoretically relative equal highs, or relative highs, right? True. Ah, check there. Damn it. I should have taken it. I doubted. I should have taken it. That's valid. Oh, there's Bob's TP. Bye. I am just being a bee right now. Anyway. Okay, however, now that it's taken... There'll be another trade. There will be another trade. There will be another trade. Don't be salty, Maya. I mean, there's some more juicy stuff going on up here still. Check there. So is it going to now shift because it took that? Oh, potentially. It would have been such a good trade. Oh well. This is quite a big candle down now. I like that perfect play. I really like that. Thanks, High Life. Don't be salty, just get over it. You are not the ocean. Here we go. Okay. Hello. Okay. Came to say hi and now he's just okay, leaning on my chair. It's equivalent of little kittens jumping in my lap. It's just big giant dog. Big giant dog. Is this a little bit of a shift, or do you think this is a bit of a retracement that's kind of happening now? This one? Yeah. What about it? You think it's gonna come back into it and then go up? Bob? What's oh my? Huh, interesting. Okay. It does kind of look like it's just gonna range today, which kind of sucks. Oh, and Marsia things go up. Noted. Everybody stay quiet. Bob's got this. What, the fair value gap or just the ranging right now? Hey, Shen. Shen Vega. It's still too early. What's too early? Just to hop in on the markets, or what's too early? Oh, you think so, Jeff? Lifted Trader, hey, how's it going? Are you guys ready for today? Kind of. We're ready for today. Oh. That's valid, but I mean, so far, Yay, Bob! Whoop whoop! Well done! Where was your entry and TP and all those? What, you just didn't want me to be like, and that was Bob's TP, and that was... Lifted Trader, not for the New York session, no. And Jeff is in for the short. Nice, well done. Hey, check, Diamante. Oh, okay, it just completely went through that. Yeah, so there was news at 10 a.m. EST, but yeah, that was this candle here. Popped up, went up a little bit, and now coming back down. Yeah, Diamante, you got this. Damn. That's a good goal to have. Sorry, Mars. Listen, Marzia, you know, we all just kind of checking to see what's going on. In and out, nice. In and out, what made you think it was going to be short, by the way? Okay. You go, Diamante. I believe in you. You've got this. Lifted Trader, what's your plans for this? Achintha? I hope I said that right. If I didn't, I'm so sorry. How long have I been trading? Only since April. I'm still baby. I'm still new. Yeah, that's valid. You know, aim for the moon. Or the stars. Hey Presidian, how's it going? Falling like a flour sack. That's quite a nice analogy, actually. So you think it's gonna get dip down and then pop back up? Presidian? That's what you think? Nice. That's valid, Lifted Trader. Very, very valid. But now it's created this massive fair value gap. Is it gonna respect it or just go straight through it? Up. Okay. I'm gonna watch, let's see. Perfect play? What? No, this looks like fun. Why do you think I'm also kind of hands-off? I'm waiting for some structure to be formed because that's just how I trade, obviously. I know everyone has their different things. I hope you all have managed to find your setup, or like me, you are waiting for it. Okay, let's see. If something good happens. I mean, Marzia, you might not be wrong. Let's see, it might pop up now. After the dip, but still. Interesting. Interesting. I mean, there's a very nice equal lows here, so I will not be surprised if it's coming for these equal lows. Just to dip into them, and then potentially that's the liquidity they need for the upward shift. Who knows? Oh, well done, Jeff. Shen Vega, bullish divergence forming. Okay. Okay. 4, 5, 3. Nice. Nice, well done, Bob. Whoop whoop. It's still a whoop whoop. Green is green, right? Aww. Sorry, Richie man. Sorry, I hope... Well, let's see. I'll see you tomorrow. Let's see. Maybe it'll be a better day tomorrow. Volume is very low. Oh, I do know Murphy's Law. Yes. I do. Really? Cool. Cool, 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 cool. Let's see. Well, let's see, LP. Let's see what happens. Ooh. Bob, that sounds like a win to me. I'm just saying. LP, did you take this? Are you out? No, I'm sorry, Dark Angel. Yep, you did. Well done, Shen. Oh, it would have been such a good entry. Oh, Dark Angel, I'm so sorry. Diamante. I mean, I gotta get affiliates and things first, right? I guess, you know, look on the bright side. That was a very quick in and out. Deadwolf coming over here being sassy. Damn. Oh, you think so, Rambo? Let's see. Yeah, that's, I mean, you know, that's what I do. I just place it and then I go hands off and then leave it alone. Presidian, I'm giving it only now and then. Do I have to give away more smiles? Am I not smiling enough? No joking. So I have resting bee face. Asintha, this is the NASDAQ. Well, the micro, the MNQ, if you will. Oh wait, let me do this. There we go. Hope that helps a little bit. Really? Listen, I've been told, so this is the introvert side of me. So like I said, I am super happy and chuffed with you guys here. When I'm out in public and my introvert side just takes over, every inch of me just goes, no, 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 no. And apparently I look very scary. I don't have a course. But you're welcome to hop on here for free and learn, right? Learn with me. I do. See? 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 Thank you! Yeah, and when I'm in public, it's even worse. I go very, like, stone-faced. Very scary. Let's see, Presidian. Oh, okay. Lift the trailer. That makes sense. I get it. I get it. If anyone is entered around 390, might stay in. Okay, well, let's see. Like I said, I'm waiting for confirmation of, are we bullish or are we bearish? Hey Heisenberg, how you doing? Welcome back. Okay. So Presidian and Rambo think we might be going up. Ooh, Dead Wolf, I love that. Lift a Trader, what do you think? Brad Pitt, how's it going? Are you guys ready for this? Presidian, okay. You think it's gonna go up more? Curiosity is taking over. Way too far away. Same with that. Brad Pitt, no. These are like wildfire right now. And when I say that, I mean just unpredictable. Well, let's see. Presidian thinks that it might be going up. Don't worry, I'm not going to enter. I am waiting for at least a little bit of confirmation of what the heck it wants to do. So let's see. Ooh, nice, Bob. Okay. See, Bob, that's better, right? Then you can't kick yourself. You can, I don't know, draw your strategy on a piece of paper and just like rip it up to get some of the anger out, and then you feel better. You go, this is your fault. Yeah? Oh, you think so, Diamante? Okay, let's see. Lift a Trader. Well, I guess we're all about to find out. This is quite intense. Let's see. Bob, you think, well, so you're with Diamante. 480, 500 zone. I can see the 480 because, I mean, check out all this liquidity, right? And at 500. And then potentially back to the middle. Let's see. Hey, MB. How's the trading so far? I haven't been able to get a trade in yet, so... yeah. And now I'm just waiting for confirmation. Oh, hello. Yeah. You know, maybe it's just one of those days where I don't get a trade in. I must just not let FOMO hit me. Bob, I'll ask you this question later. This is called surging. Okay. Yeah, Rambo, that's yeah. Bob, your TP is 486. Ooh, cool. Okay, yes. Nice, nice. Ooh, nice, Shen. Okay, let's see. My chart seems too stable. I don't think that's something I ever would have heard. Is it more stable than me? Yeah. Well done, Presidian. You get a salute for that. Very, very well done. Who else? Rambo, you too. You also called it was gonna... No, and Diamante. You guys called it going up. Nice. Syntha, I basically have a GAN, and I go range to range. I do have... oh my gosh, my brain's lost the words. I want to say confirmations, but that's not what it's called. Yeah, okay. But now that it's taken all that liquidity, do you think it's still gonna go up? Is it going to have a bit of a retest back down? Potential retest? Yeah, that's exactly MB. It's oop. Well, here's some volume. Damn. Oh my gosh. I would have been... Thank you, Brad Pitt, thank you. Thank you, thank you. Thank you. That was gonna annoy the living daylights out of me. Oh, and LP, thank you. My brain just went... Okay, bye. Perfect play if you get a buy signal. Okay, cool. Bob, Jiminy Cricket? Happy noise? Yeah? Who was telling me to buy? Just saying. This would have been a loss. Would have been sad. Very, very sad. No. Don't worry, Presidian, I'm not. I wasn't gonna do it after it took those highs. I'm also still waiting for a little bit more of a confirmation. I wonder if it's just gonna be one of those days. And if it's one of those days, then it's one of those days. It is what it is. Yeah, it feeds off of our fear. And like I said, our tears as well. Fear and tears at what it loves. Oh no, Bob. Well, it's like you said, you can't be mad at yourself, right? Damn. I mean, you do have this little bit of a safety net. Sorry, High Life. I think that was my phone making noise. No, you're right. But that's... I have to keep reminding myself so that I do not get FOMO and place a silly trade. But I have to keep reminding myself. So you'll see, my cure for it is just I'll draw my GAN and be like, oh, I could have done that. And then if it loses, I go, oh, thank heavens I didn't do that. Or if it wins, I go, ah, I'm such a fool, I should have taken it. Ooh, I need to drop that. Hey, money making, how's it going? I'm sorry, High Life, I'm sorry. It's this thing. This thing makes noise. How pretty is the color? Oh, you can't really see the color. Like a greeny color, it's so pretty. Ah, lifted trader, okay. 100% Presidian, it's better to miss than lose. I agree. Ooh, let me not get excited. I nearly got excited for someone in the chats. Really? Is that true though? Okay, hear me out, Diamante, because isn't it also like it's... I'm not being... It's facts. That men tend to be more logical and females tend to use more emotion. So theoretically, isn't that really bad? But I guess the discipline thing and multitasking also makes sense. Presidian, I beg to differ. Can you do this? Can you tap, wait, rub tummy, tap head, and then change it around. No pressure. Money making, how is it going? No, Diamante, I thought you said no. No more. 414 buy. Damn, nice entry making money. Very good. Really? Huh. I've never tried. So I'll do like what, an A and a B? So A and a B. I did it. I don't have proof because I just did it with my hands. Mazia! Whoop whoop! That's split personality. Oh, okay. Oh, also knots. I got you. Oh, if even this wouldn't have reached, that would have been annoying. Oh. Oh, like that. But like you get it. Number one, you have to be able to write with both hands, which I've never tried. So that would be really hard. Hey Nox, how's it going? So technically I am ambidextrous. I use my left hand for a lot of things. Can I count to 10 in South African? Do you mean Afrikaans or English? Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 nailed it. Well, we will watch what happens for Daddy Rambo, okay? I'm just saying what he said. No, Maya, you being a chop. And I'm being a chop again. No, I was not being a chop. That was correct. Oh my gosh. Okay, give me a minute. You're selling at 500 to the middle or back to VWAP. Really? Okay. Heisenberg, you thought it was from Scotland? Really? Why? Presidian, is it something that you practiced or you just do? Okay, Bob. Did it work? Go up. Go up. Sometimes I do that. I'm not the luckiest person. I don't know why. Ask everyone else to do it. All the... Yeah. Yeah, Nox, that's exactly. It's a little bit tricky. I can do it in Afrikaans. However, do not ask me to do it in Zulu or... Like, there's also... Can't do it in... Yeah. I won't be able to do that at all. Oh, hi life, look at you go. You go, Cupcake. Presidian, yes, 100%. Lifted trader. I know that feeling so well. Bob? Bob, can I say it? Can I say it? Bob? How's it looking? But Deadwolf, I can do it in Afrikaans if you want. Do you want me to count to 10 in Afrikaans? I can do that for you. Hey, David. Yes, I use Traderify. No. I mean, wait. If it works now. I'm so invested in this trade. Give me a minute. Okay. Anyone here that's Afrikaans, I apologize in advance because I'm not great at Afrikaans, so this is not going to be great, and I have not spoken it in a while. Draw on liquidity. But it hasn't taken everything yet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Schnell it. Cell 5. Hey, Gasson, how's it going? I wonder. I don't think it's gonna go far enough down for this at all. And that's not a great place to be at. Really? I've heard Afrikaans is very, close to Dutch as well. Oh, thanks, Deadwolf. Oh no. Basically, yeah, 100% Nox, that is. Legends? Are you asking what this is? Who's new? Unmitigated zone. Market should. What, keep going? Oh. Come back down for it? Is that what you were saying, Moneymaker? No, so this is futures. Hey, Dream33611, how's it going? Garçon, no. It did not come grab me. So, and now it's taken liquid. Bob. Can I do it now? Yes! Whoop whoop! Well done, Bob! Well done! Okay, sorry guys. I got very excited there. Well done. Proud of you guys. Garçon? No, not yet. Well, not yet. I haven't had any entries, so. Ah, sorry. Well, Dream, let's hope, Dream, that it goes back up for you. Or wait. Well, let's hope there's a pullback for you, sorry. Well done, Diamante. Sure. Very, very good. Okay, I feel like it would be silly to take a long now. However, it kind of looks like it wants to keep pushing, and there's a lot of liquidity sitting up there. I mean, it never came back into anywhere where I could have entered. So, here. Did not come back for an entry, so did not work. Before that, there was no confirmation for my strategy, so couldn't enter that. And this, well, I mean, you saw this one. This is just way too far away. And now it's just running away. Money making. I am makings from South Africa. Proudly South African. Like, part of me is This is risky because of all the liquidity it's just taken. Well, Rambo Daddy, well done. Very, very well done. Oh, I have hiccups. Get a proudly South African sticker. Put it up there. Yes, Charlize Theron is. Yeah, she is South African. Really, Dream? Why? What's up? What's happening with your strategy? Is it just not working out? Oh, damn. Okay. Why? Oh yeah, I forgot. Elon is also South African. Oh my gosh, it's just going for all the liquidity now. Rambo, you're so funny. There's a little bit more liquidity. Do you think it's gonna go for that, Rambo? Or do you think it's now gonna have a shift down because it's just taken a lot? Yeah, 100%. After it took that, I really thought it might come back down for at least a retest, but apparently not. Yes. 100%. Aw, thanks for the sub, Legends. Mad love, thank you. Perfect play. It will take the liquidity or retest. Okay, Mazia, so you still think it's gonna stay? Oh, wait, let me... Huh. That's not a dumb question, Nox. So number one, do you see all my little dotted lines here? I mark out where the liquidity is. I mean, theoretically, there's liquidity everywhere, but... where there's a little bit more sitting around, where the market might want to grab, because obviously there's money sitting there. So liquidity is just money sitting there. Correct me if I'm wrong, guys. Damn, okay. Bullish it is. Cool. Ooh, nice. Okay, I left a trader, so now what? So for example, Nox, there will be some liquidity sitting underneath here that the markets might want to come and grab. So then I mark out what it might be wanting to head towards. Yeah. Is that better money making? Yeah. There we go. Yeah, that's a better description. Thanks, Dark Angel. Areas folks have put their stop losses in and been taken out. So it is just money sitting there, right? I was correct about that. Oh, that's fun. But there's like barely any volume going down with this. I was thinking long, Jeff, to be fair. I do think there's going to be a retest. I just don't know if yeah. Unfortunately, this didn't come back down. I mean, the trend right now is very much bullish. Why go against the structure? Aw. Thanks, Rambo. Yeah, we are a fun bunch of people. I like to think so anyways. Ah, there we go. Oh, see. I just don't know if it's gonna come down far enough to grab me. Oh, and it's just taken some liquidity on ES as well. And now there's not a bunch for a while. Dark Angel, you still here? Oh, perfect play. I'm so sorry. Yeah, it happens all the time. And now that's run away again. Yay! Okay. Oh, nice. Okay, well done. See? Multitasking. Damn, lifted trader. Okay. Okay. That's really good. And I'm assuming you're enjoying it and it's going well for you. Well, I mean, 55% is very good. I feel like I'm being a bit of a chicken not taking these trades, but in the same breath, this range is very short. It's just taken a bunch of liquidity on ES. And there's not liquidity for a little bit. Like, would this be a silly trade to make? That's the thing. So I'm going, it might not be worth it. Because what if there's a proper shift now? Yeah, lifted trader, that's valid. Huh. Let's see. Yeah, Dark Angel, but we know that that's something that you have been getting better at. You have been getting better at it. It's just, it is hard. Like right now, I'm going, I could maybe do it, but it's not ideal. However, there is this little bit of a fair value gap, and there is this little bit, it's not the best, but it is a little bit of an odd block, and it might be good, or it might just be absolutely awful. That's true. I just don't like how the volume has now dropped down properly. Okay, nice, Rambo. Let's see. No, Deadwolf, she does not trade the same way as me. If this would have worked, I might kick myself over the head. I'm just not trusting it at all. Rather not do it if you're not trusting it, right? I need to remind myself about that. Oh, damn. Oh, damn. That would have been a very quick in and out. I'm glad I did. Yeah. Damn. And you imagine. That would have sucked. Oh, interesting. Interesting. Okay. Yay, Mark 1. Well done. Damn. From this morning. Damn. Okay. How are you feeling? Are you just like over the moon right now? That makes sense. What if you enter from lower down? Like so. Like so. ALP. Okay, Ned. 120%. The discipline is excruciating. That's why I'm trying really hard, because FOMO is hitting me properly, because all you guys are having such good freaking days. And yeah. Okay, making money. Money makings, sorry. Are you taking it or are you telling me to take it? Yeah, perfect play. That's how I'm feeling right now. Can you see I'm squeezing my shark? Because I'm like, do not do it. Do not do it. It's not worth it. Don't do it. Oh, cool. Hey, Nathan. No, that's valid. That's valid, but I mean, you can still be happy, and you still get one of those amazing crisp whoop whoops. Well done. This is a short command. But yeah. It's a really useful, like, stress ball, because then the foot pops out and it makes it really entertaining for me, so it's fine. Sorry, that's the ADHD coming in. Bob, yeah, it did happen for her, but yeah. It was very low volume. I think it looked a little bit dodgy. But she can tell you for herself, right? Marzia, are you still there? Are you in this? Right? Perfect play. Right. Just squish it. It's okay, Presidian. They'll have their revenge on me apparently sooner than later. Ned, are you talking about me making noise? Or just literally the 1 minute being super noisy? Yeah, you got the whoops. Yeah, Dark Angel, you've got this. Oh, yay, Marzia! Whoop whoop for you too. Well done. That's amazing. FOMO's hitting me like a truck right now. Part of me is just going, I'm sure I can just get in on this, right? Presidian, I love angels so... Love angels. I do love you, Dark Angel, but I love animals so much. Gosh, maybe I am just not doing great. Money makings. You think short. Look at this. So, I mean, it does... There is high resistance. It does... Might potentially go down. No, see... My brain. Oh, nice, Bob. Okay, go enjoy your breakfast. I'm so hungry. Maybe that's the problem. Hangry is kicking in. Oh no. Oh, thanks, Bob. Enjoy. I'll see you tomorrow, hopefully. Yeah. This is frustrating. Oh no, I pressed something. Whoops, maybe I went to ES. Here we go. Let's zoom in a little bit. Let's see. Maybe it won't look so sad. Nope, still looks sad. Now we're just chopping again. Perfect play. Have you really gone and like checked it out? How expensive is it, out of curiosity? So I won this at Am I having a stroke? Honestly, my brain's just not... Do you know what the problem is? I'm drinking water instead of my coffee. Maybe this is lesson learned, right? Just drink coffee, it's fine. Hey, Daniel from Colombia. How's it going? For a lot of people, it's an amazing day. For me, it's a very frustrating day. Like right now. Money makings. Well done. Oh, nice. Wait. Perfect play, where you at again? How much is $9 for you? Because $9 could be quite expensive. Depending on where you are. Hey, Zar. No. You did not. At all. Nothing for me. Looking at this, regretting my life choices, but it's fine. And now we're discussing how much this little shark is. There we go, an arcade. Oh my gosh. So I got this at an arcade. Sorry, can you tell that was bothering me so much? Yeah, I played and you know, you get your little tickets and yeah, he was there. And I was like, well, I gotta have him. He looks cool. Sure. Why not? Here we go. You want in, out, sideways? How's that? Nox, are you still here? I haven't heard from you in a while. Are you good? Squeeze it like Sharky and move slightly to the right. There we go. Nice, okay. Oh, cool, Nox. Okay, cool. Well, let's see what Presidian teaches us right now. I'm very curious. Because it looks like maybe today is just one of those days I don't get a trade in, and that's fine, right? Nox, I think that's one thing I'm gonna have to learn, is that not every day you're gonna get trades in, and that counts as a trading day still. I always have to remind myself about that. Not putting in a trade doesn't mean anything. Yep. It sucks though, because you do kind of want to be like, but they could just... This is where my discipline has to come in. So I did have a strategy where I could just market buy or market sell. Problem. Do not do it. Because then I was just market buying and market selling like an idiot, for lack of a for lack of a better word. Oh my gosh. That's it. No more water. Coffee it is. That's true, Deadwolf. But then I had this argument. You were there, were you not, Deadwolf? Where I said, you know, not getting one in is risk management. But then I'm like, but then you never trade, because then your risk management is always 100% guaranteed. But then your gain is also 0%, 100% guaranteed. I hope that made sense. I threw percent out there quite a bit. Okay. Now the issue is a bit lame. Okay. Wouldn't enter above 480. Why not? That's exactly right. Marzi, are you in a buy again? Wouldn't you be protected? I guess entering below, I get... Yeah, okay, I understand. I get it. If it's below 480, it's gone past here. Oh, it's just sitting here. Maybe mark this up. Oh, I do have marked out, never mind. I just turned things off like a chop. I'm just a silly goose. Wow, it has not moved. Cool. Hey! Frankie? I'm sorry if I butchered that. I feel like I butchered that. Marzia. Huh. Okay, well, let's see, Marzia. How's it going, Frankie? How are you doing? For a buy, right, Presidian? Except it is slowly moving down. Was this just the fake out? LP, how's it looking for you? You get anything good? Dark Angel, any new setup formed maybe? No? Potentially? Damn! Mazia, you go! Whoop whoop! You go, girl! Sure! You've got this! I'm impressed! No, well, I mean, I'm a little bit late now, but... There's the 9.5 that you're talking about. And now it does look like it's going up. Hey, Dolly! Yeah, I do. Yeah. Yeah, poop. Theoretically, I was trying to talk on this, but I don't know if that's a bad idea. Oh, I'm sorry. Hey, Chris, how's it going? Yeah, this feels potentially not worth it. I think it's just gonna be a no trade day for me. Oh well. That's true, Dark Angel. It's only hump day after all, right? We still got 2 more days. And then the weekend to try and fine-tune our skills. Or for me, potentially lack of skills. Let's see. Let's see if this would have worked out, because maybe I need to start trusting the bigger range. So I'm always very reluctant to take the bigger range. Chris, how you doing? How's the trading day going for you? Yeah? Good? Thumbs up? Amazing. That's good. You guys can't hear him, can you? My dog is snoring up a storm right now. Like hectically. Ah, well. Where did I have this one? Oh, not there. Definitely not there. Cool. Huh. That one would have worked. Interesting. Would have taken a while, but it would have worked. Let's see if this one would have worked. Could have maybe had 2 trades. That would have been cool. Yeah, FOMO hits like a truck, damn. So I'm just gonna have to live through you guys. How's everyone else's trading day looking? Marzi, I know, gets a whoop whoop. Mark 1 gets a very big whoop whoop. Nicely done. Everyone else, how's it looking? Wow, volume has just dried up now. Huh, just because I said that. Just like, no I haven't. I'm still here. Damn, okay. Thanks, Deadwolf. But now you stay calm, okay. So, Presidian, you still think this is gonna go up? Nox? Very good question. This is what I like to call... Oh my gosh. No, I like to call this flatlining because that's how I feel. I feel like I'm just flatlined. It's absolutely ridiculous. Again, I'll give it like 15 more minutes or so. Let's see if something pops up. It doesn't look like it though, so yeah. Ooh. Well done, Brandon. Amazing. Yay. Okay, see, now I'm happy for you guys. Then I don't feel so meh. Oh, interesting. Oh, what is my tattoo? The snail. Call him Sunny. So, long story short, he represents my mom. Long story short. And then there's flowers around him. So these are like peach blossoms, because when I grew up I had a peach tree just outside my window and I thought it was absolutely beautiful, so helped. So all my tattoos have meanings, by the way. Yeah, so all my tattoos do actually have meanings. I mean, so my back has quite a few going on there. That one's a little bit more sad. You thought it was a chicken? A chicken? Cool. Really, Dark Angel? Yeah, I guess that's true, Dark Angel. At least until the PM, when everyone comes back from lunch, maybe then there'll be some movements. Yeah. So my whole back is, I say covered, but I do have a back tattoo, and it's all my past, yeah, no, it's all my past horses that have gone to heaven. So it all represents them. Oof. That would have been a loss. Would have been a loss. Loss. Yeah, no, this would have been very risky until, well, now, right? So this one would have been good. But again, we don't know that until it flipping does it. Aw, see? How awesome and sentimental are they? They went to a farm. Yes, Presidian, that's exactly it. They were sent to the farm. Oh my gosh, I didn't even think about that one. Deadwolf? You smart, hey? So, ironically, I have a little stingray. I have a little stingray on my leg because in Oshaka Marine World there's, what's it called? Like ocean floor walking. So it's where you have like a little hat on and you can walk with the stingrays. Very, very cool. And I did that, so I got a little stingray to... There we go. So 5,000. So I guess it could be a shark. See, now we're gonna have to do a poll of, is it gonna be a shark tattoo or is it gonna be a trading tattoo? Deadwolf, you smart, hey? Damn, look at you go. That range is maybe too far. That's also not ideal. Because now that looks too small, and it's... Damn, I was just about to say this is actually maybe a good one. What happened? Why is it so volatile? Damn. Oh my gosh. Okay. Dead Wolf, I knew it. I knew it. It makes a lot of sense. I get it. Well done. Oh, see? How special is it? I love it. I absolutely love it. Yeah, like I said, I got my antisocial butterfly. We all know why I have that one. What else? I have a little horse jumping. Damn, I got a few. Got a little mushroom waving. I'm not loving how the spread is jumping. Yep, nope. Deadwolf, correct me if I understood this wrong, but I understood it in, you know, like intelligence, the IQ. So if you have a high IQ, you're very smart. Oh, hey Nosy, how you doing? Welcome from the Philippines. That's awesome. How are you? How's it going? You know what's bugging me is that this looks like it might actually be a really good winning trade. Apparently I'm just too in my head today. There's TP. That's fun. This is fun. I mean, the spread is quite big. That would have been such a good one. Hey, well done. Also, hello. How are you doing? Nosy. Well, I mean, it's again. But I guess it's much for muchness. I'm very salty right now, but it's fine. Yeah. I'm salty today. I haven't gotten any trades in this afternoon. And this would have been a win. There's a few that actually would have been wins. I've just been in my head, so I didn't take any of them, so it is what it is, I guess. That happened to me this morning. I'm so sorry. That's so frustrating. So frustrating when that happens. I'm so sorry, Lifted Trader. To be fair, I was also looking nervous. Well, looking nervous. I was also looking at it going, ooh, maybe I'm glad I didn't take this because of how it was jumping around. And now I'm going, you fool. Should have just taken it. Now, the problem is, if I take the next one, it's almost guaranteed to be a loss. Because that's what normally happens. And just because I said that, and because I'm probably not going to take it, it will probably have been a win. Hey Nosy, hi again. Forrest Gump has 75 in IQ. And you're not smarter than him. Yet, Wolf, you sound like such a riot. I know you said you're not like this in person. I get it. I'm also not like this in person, believe it or not. I am very quiet. Unless spoken to, then I talk. But in general, this sounds bad, but in general, I get spoken over, so I just keep quiet. Like this, you guys can't talk over me. You have to listen to me. Presidian, I'm assuming Shani means the news at 10 a.m. EST. Right? Correct me if I'm wrong. Boom. Nailed it. What did I just tell you? Just because I didn't take this, it's most likely going to be a win. And then the saltiness is probably going to rise, and then I'm probably going to call it a day. Here we go. No trading is still trading. No trading is still trading. I'm just going to have to repeat that to myself so I do not get upset. Interesting. Huh. Hey, Michael. I hope that's a good thing. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yeah, no, this is salty Maya. You guys are definitely seeing salty. Okay, to be fair, it probably would have missed me by a tick, which also would have made me salty, so it's salty Maya Day. We're having a salty Maya Day today. And it is what it is. We're just going with it. Sorry you had to see me like this, guys. It's fine. Lift a trader, that's a really good question actually. Do I feel it helps me? Huh, interesting. Tanya in the shorts. Nice. Public thing. It's like I'm not bad at talking to people if people talk to me first, but in general I tend to not be the first person to engage in the conversation. But if people ask me questions, I'm like, hell yeah, I'll talk. I'll speak to you. I'm just not that person that's like, hi, how you doing? And they're like in your face. I'd rather take a step back until I'm spoken to. And then I have no problem talking, if that makes any sense at all. Let's see, Mike. I mean, we do still have tomorrow and Friday, like you said. So maybe, I'm hoping it'll be nice, but like I said, I'll give it until, well, 5:30 my time. I think that's 11:30 for you guys. Let's watch it go all the way down, take this little swing low, and maybe pop back up. Oh, I wonder if it's gonna hit VWAP. Maybe not, that's pushing it a bit, right? Except now this is a very hectic push down. Nope, don't do it. See, I was like, I can maybe try one last one. I'm not hating this, to be fair. Oh, there we go. Yeah, nope. Hey Scott, how's it going? Shamendra? I'm so sorry if I butchered that. No, so I just use some concepts from it and some confluences from it, but that's about it. But I don't strictly trade ICT, no. And I have my own little strategy, so this is my own little GAN. Here we go, you can see my own little GAN here. Oh, I'm glad, Scott, I'm glad. How was your trading day today? Mine was rubbish. So, Diamante, you think back to 400 or VWAP? Nice. Okay. Ah, and there's VWAP. So maybe even still down to 400, I wonder. Ooh, maybe. Interesting. Maybe a little bounce now. Again, I'm not hating this. Precision. I've tried some strategies with that. Did not work for me. That's why I'm like, I don't trust it. Purely just from my experience with it. But I mean, I know everyone's different and maybe my strategy was just not correct with it. I don't know, but my experience with VWAP has not always been the best. Oh, interesting, okay. No, I probably won't. Precision, like you said, it is a little bit late now. Wouldn't be smart. I'm just torturing myself by doing the setup and seeing if it would have. Nox VWAP. Value, wait, I can get you the exact name. Cannot, there we go. Volume weighted average price. So basically it's the average throughout the day. So you see this little blue line? So it is an indicator. You can use it as an indicator. And here's the little blue line. Whee! And it just stays on. There you can see it bounced off of it very nicely. And there, I guess, yeah, it just, I guess it always depends on how well it's going to respect it. So you can add it as an indicator if you would like to, Nox. I mean, like, there, for example, it tapped it, but it just went, it paused, but then it just went straight through. Oh, lifted trader, yay! Well done, whoop whoop indeed. Poor and hungry, hi. That's a very sad name to have. Sorry. What's Valium? You want to use it too? That's my secret. I can't tell you. Deadwolf, I'm going to be honest with you. I'm still far, but it's mostly because I'm picking up the pieces from my previous strategy. I hope that answers that. Yeah. Makes sense. So yeah, I'm literally picking up pieces from my previous strategy. So I'm slowly going back up now, which is so exciting. Slow being the key word, because I'm being more strict with my trades and I'm trying to mitigate risk a little bit more. So I'm not putting as high of a, I'm not trading as much. So rather, oh my gosh, maybe I need to leave. I sound like I'm having a stroke. Yes, Deadwolf. So like I said, I'm picking up the pieces, but the pieces were all over. So now, yes, picking them up slowly but surely because I'm not risking as much as I was as well. So that it helps and doesn't help. Because obviously when you win, you're not getting as much. But when you lose, you don't lose as much. lifted trader, my previous strategy was kind of breakout strategy, but then I wasn't getting in on the breakout. I was getting in on what I thought was a breakout. This was the strategy where I just did market buy or market sell. Disaster for me, because there was like a little bit of impulse and my brain was like, just do it. And then I would buy, and then it was not an impulse actually at all. Do I drink filtered water? Why? No, I'm not, Pat. Don't worry, I'm not. Well, I hope not. With how I've been speaking today, I wouldn't be surprised. Honestly, it's not going great. The brain and the mouth and the words are just not connecting today. Just not going well. VWAP rejection, then sell-off. You think so? Yamanta, I'm curious about this filtered water comment now. Yes and no. So you know when you market buy, you can actually set things, but I was not setting them in the correct places at all. So technically no, and that's the problem. So I am literally picking up pieces. But I am getting there. It just feels like it's taking forever. But I guess rather be disciplined and strict and take time slowly building up than just going balls to the walls and just messing it up completely, right? Because then you're just going to blow accounts left, right, and center. Now that's not fun. Now I see the hammer. Do you think it's gonna shoot up? Where did I have it? I had it like this. I don't know if I'll giggle or cry if this works, by the way. Probably a bit of both. Thanks, Lifted Trader. Yeah, literally, I think... Dark Angel? I don't know if Dark Angel's still here, but literally since August, basically since moving down to the coast, was when... I moved down to the coast, I still had that strategy, it was still a disaster. Then I changed strategy, then really focused on my discipline. So this is very new. Believe me, this is very new and it's been really hard. Yeah, don't worry, Priscilla, I'm not gonna take it. This is purely more out of curiosity than anything else. Oh, Dark Angel, when did I actually start taking the mental side of things seriously? It wasn't that long ago, it was beginning of August, I think. Because I remember I still had the bad strategy when I moved down here, then started with this one, and then I did the mental, just breathe, have rules, don't just take things. But it's taken a while. Well, it feels like a while. Maybe, I don't know if a month is long or not. Yeah. So I don't know if a month is a long time or not. That's why I still mess up now and then, and I still just go, it's fine. And then it's not fine. Oh, you're right, Dark Angel. Yeah, so me and Dark Angel tried to get our brains together around then, and it has been tough, to say the least. It's been really, really difficult. Like I always went about the psychology, and now I've gone, oh yeah, Dead Wolf, she does not, but she does have a YouTube. Maybe you need to go and subscribe. I just subscribed to her now today. Yep. So I just I just subscribed to her. I'm gonna go and watch her on Saturday. Have a look-see. No pressure, Dark Angel. It's your turn to be watched. Okay, I am, however, most likely going to call it here. So, Dark Angel, out of curiosity, why don't you do a limit order and then it's hands off once it's set? No matter what. And see. Out of curiosity. I have been doing that weird thing the whole time. Oh well, who cares? So then do you just not place it? Can you not set it like far in advance? Because yours is obviously it comes back into your setup. Like with this one, I could have set this up like 5 minutes beforehand. No, LP, no. I was not trusting. I mean, part of me wanted to. Ah, perfect play. Interesting. But no, not trusting it, so. Hey, Duncan, how's it going? Good afternoon to you too. You've caught me just as I'm probably about to leave, to be fair. So could you not... Sorry, I'm spewing. You don't have to listen to me. Just block me out. Duncan, no. I think this is one of the first days I haven't gotten a trade in, and I feel very weird. Yeah. I did not, which really sucks, but it's fine. Could you not set it? I guess maybe not, hey? I don't know. Yeah. London was really good. This has not been ideal, but it is what it is. There we go, Dark Angel. Well, you're gonna have a bunch of us watching you. No pressure. See, and we all love Dark Angel. I'm gonna give it 3 minutes. But I'm most likely gonna call it. Ah, okay. That's flipping annoying, Dark Angel. I get it. I mean, you've been witnessing my brain malfunction today with everything. So, if anyone's gonna understand, it's gonna be this one who's going, oh my gosh, what the heck? Yeah, but okay, but that's more you just sticking with your rules. You can't be upset about that one, right? You say you don't trade after that time, so you don't trade after that time. Hey Naveed, how are you doing? You're catching me as I'm probably about to say cheers. But true, maybe. Aw. Cheers, Marzia. Thank you for coming to watch. You've been awesome. Yeah, so you can't be upset about those. Dark Angel, that has always been your rule. Since you've been coming here. That has been your rule. Deadpool, yeah. Tell them that they are interrupting your Maya time and they must shush, okay? Yeah, no, this is now dead. No, I know. I get it. I get it. It irritates me to watch this now. Okay. Okay, no, cool. We're good. We're good. We're good. I was gonna have a meltdown. The meltdown was on its way. Maybe before I upset myself, I'm gonna leave this on. I'll have a look at it tomorrow morning and see if I wanted to, I don't know, pull my hair out. Oh no! Dark Angel, tell them no. You don't wanna. Tell them it's not worth it. Okay. Oh, cool. That absolutely sucked. Both of you, tell them that you quit. You don't want it. It's not worth it. Oh, cool. Huh. That sounds very fancy, Dark Angel. Damn. Okay. Okay, guys, I'm gonna call it there for tonight or this morning, depending on where you are. I hope you have a good dinner, lunch, breakfast. Again, place dependent. I will. Huh. Yeah. Okay, I will then see you guys here tomorrow. Depending. Either tomorrow morning or tomorrow evening. I hope you guys have an amazing day. Yeah. See you here for London or New York tomorrow. I love you guys madly. Thanks for watching. Oh, I know I'm a little bit late, but if you wouldn't mind pressing that like button, that would be amazing. Thanks, guys. Okay, I love you guys madly. Bye.